The past makes no sound in the fresh wonder of creation. No system, no structure, no method is here in the wide open of clearness. No cause for the real one. A true miracle is happening. Everything comes out from nothing. I don't find any sign of the past in the now. All the meaningless illusions disappear. Deep into the unknown, deep into unconditioned freedom. The open heart has no need. The open mind does not seek, and the past makes no sound. I am not a special part of it. I am a reflection of the whole of it.